Good morning. I'm meteorologist Kellyanne Chicalise. On this Black Friday, we are looking windy, and that's going to be something we watch for much of the next 12 hours with the potential for some snow flurries flying by. The next threat on our radar, wet weather moving in for Sunday. We have rain that will turn heavier and steadier as we move towards Sunday night. But as we kick off your weekend, it is a dry start. So if you had to pick a weekend day, Saturday is your better bet. Let's talk about the wind today. We're starting to feel that wind increasing this morning, but the peak wind gusts expected this afternoon. By the mid-afternoon hours, 2-3 o'clock, wind gusts approaching 40 miles per hour. That is a strong and gusty wind. And so with temperatures topping out in the low 40s today, it is going to feel like it's in the low 30s, just about near the freezing point for most locations, especially in the coolest suburbs. 12-hour forecast does look dry. You can see there's some clouds in store for us, but we have to watch our skies for that chance of snow. We're not expecting anything that will stick here locally, but it will be flying through this afternoon. So this is paused at around 1. Light snow showers spilling over from New York into western Massachusetts start to shift eastward, so you can see how they get a little bit closer to 495. While the chance is pretty low for Boston, I do think we'll see a few flakes in the mid-afternoon hours. This is paused at 4, and you can see at this point some of those snow showers looking more numerous in the northern Worcester Hills and stretching out toward the Berkshires. For most of us, we dry out after sunset. The snow could linger a little longer out toward the Berkshires, where we could see a fresh 1 to 2 inches of snowfall, maybe a grassy coating in the northern Worcester Hills, but I expect most of us will not see the snow sticking. We dry out overnight. It's all about the wind chill factor, so it's going to feel like it's in the upper teens overnight. A real strong chill settling in for our late night forecast and into the start of your weekend. It is sunny and dry for your Saturday, but it's still breezy. No major impacts for travel. The next order of business is rain for Sunday. That will bring moderate impacts to your road travel especially, and then we are watching farther down the pipeline the potential for another storm in the middle of the week. Right now, those snow showers are still to our north and west. Let's take you a little bit farther north and west out to the Pacific, where as we move into the Pacific Northwest, we are seeing some of those rain and snow showers moving in. As this starts to push toward the plains and into portions of the Midwest, we are looking at winter storm warnings extending from Montana all the way out to Chicago. This is where we're expecting snow that could reach levels of 6 to even 12 inches. So major impacts to travel expected, airport delays expected, especially moving out toward Minneapolis, Chicago, Wichita, where we could see moderate to major delays moving into Saturday in the heart of the storm out there. As the storm moves toward us, it weakens, but we could see some airport delays as well. You could see the potential for that, especially as we move towards Sunday evening. The forecast for rain is just about ½ an inch, so we're not talking about flooding rainfall, but certainly something that could slow you down with your travel on the second half of the day Sunday. Let's get into the timeline. Clouds gather Saturday night. Here's that rain just starting to move in around midday Sunday. Notice the potential for some mixing along and north of Route 2 for a very brief time when the storm first moves in, with temperatures flirting with the mid-30s. But you'll notice we start to really heat things up as we move towards Sunday evening. So I do expect this is mainly a rainmaker for southern New England. It's going to be warm on Sunday. We're making a run toward 50 degrees. The rain is a little heavier as we move toward the evening hours. Let's fast forward towards 6-7 o'clock, and that's when things could turn heavy at times before moving out of here as we move past midnight. The next storm, Tuesday into Wednesday. A lot of uncertainty here with the track, and that's not uncommon at this time frame. But at this point, we could say with more certainty that we'll likely see at least some mixing with snow. That potential right now is mainly focused into interior northern New England, into ski country. Thinking here locally and in southern New England, we see more of that rain mixing in. That will keep our snow potential down. However, it's still something to watch. It looks like it's going to be messy, and that's something we'll watch for Tuesday night into at least the first half of the day Wednesday. We do appear to dry out as we move toward the second half of the day on Wednesday. Look at the 7-day forecast. Temperatures are all over. We're making a run toward 50 on Sunday, back to the 40s to start the week. The game, by the way, on Monday night looks fine, but then here's those 30s creeping in by the middle to late half of the week.